In this video, I'll be giving you 3 simple hot praise bass lines, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell. I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you'll see the link in the comment section below or in the description below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp, okay? So guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the breakdown. So let's check out the first step. So this is the first bass line you can apply to the 1 5 6 4 progression. Okay, so let me break it down. Dun, da, 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 da. Okay, so dun, da, 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 da. Okay, so remember that with this bass line you have to start with your root. Okay, so root and octave. 1 1 1 1 5 1 1 1. Okay, and your root you'll be plucking it like 4 times. Okay, okay, so with this pattern you'll be applying them to all the progression. Okay, so da 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 to your 5. So now on your 5 I added a note over here, that is okay. So now I will play 5 5 5 5 2 6 5 5 5. Okay, note the difference between the first one and the second one. Okay, okay, and your 5, you understand? Okay, and now to your 6. Okay, the same pattern lines you use on your 5, do it to your 6. Okay, so that is 6 6 6 3 7 6 6 6. Okay, okay, so note that 3 4 2 3 5. Then now to your 4 6 7 1 3. That is 1 4 4 4 1 5 4 4 4. You understand? Okay, so if you want to perfect this very well, please, I want you to write them down. Okay, my God is if you want to take it to the higher note. So you should also learn that. Okay, so now let's look at the second step. So the second step is a little bit tricky, and with a ghost note it won't be that easy. Okay, but I'll try and break it down for you so that you have the time and rehearse on it very, very well. Okay, so the same progression, da 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 da, using the triads, but you'll be applying your ghost notes on your third. Okay, that is to your 3. You're applying 3 ghost notes. You understand? So 1 1 3 5 1 1 3 5 3 4 5 7 6. Now to your 6. So you have your 6 1 3 6 6 1 3. You understand? Then back to your 4. 4 6 1 4 4 6 1. Then you can start again. So you should just take it very simple and steady. You remember that in this groove you'll be using just 2 strings. That is your root. Okay, so just put it in mind that 2 string, the second string like this. You understand? So remember that 2 string, the second string, you'll be applying the ghost note to your 5, your 6, 4, I hope you got that. Okay, so now let's jump into the third one. So that was the third one, and the third one goes like this. So on your 1, okay, so 1 5 5 5 2 1. Okay, now to your 7, because we'll be going to 1 5 and 6. Okay, so now I'll be descending through my 7 1 7. Okay, so dun, 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 dun. 1 7. Okay, so that is 7 7 7 3 2. Okay, 7 7 7 3 2. You understand? So you understand? So now to your 6. So 6 3 3 3 7 6 6 3 3 3 7 6. Your 4 4 1 1 1 5 4. Just do it the same pattern from the start and the end. Okay, you understand? Okay, take it slow. Okay, so on my 4, I didn't start on my 1 again. I started from my 5. So 2 3 4 5. Just follow the pattern. Okay, 5 2 2 2 6 5. Now to my 3. Okay, that is 3 7 7 3 2 7 3. Now to your normal 6. Okay, so 6 3 3 3 7 6. Then to your 4. Okay, you can also start from your 5 and continue from your 7. Okay, so it is 2 ways. Either you continue from your 7 or you continue from your 3. Okay, so or you understand? Okay, just try to use any of these. Okay, so this is the 3 bass line you can use in this progression. It is very easy when you learn them and master them. Okay, so I think this is what I have for you for today. I'll be seeing you next time in the next video. Bye for now.